Hey guys, we received this queen size bed frame for test and try. As you can see, this comes in this nice box and have everything packed really well. This have the wood slats and the nice metal frame. This is easy to assemble as there are less parts. Very nice light gray color for the supports on the sides and the thing. So everything is marked and the manual provide all the details. So there are two frames that goes in the middle for the metal, and then the head and the footrest. So this is pretty good and easy to assemble as well. On the side you can see like the nice matching curves with the light gray color with the foot and the headrest, and also with the strong metal frame. It can be easily seen like the durability. The metal, the wood slates will come on the top, and you can see the overall bed here. So you can see from the sides is the matching one, so looks really good. The legs and the height fits really well as well. And I like the light gray color and the looks, because it is like light grayish bluish and is matching really nice with the back blue accent wall. So after putting the mattress, no issues in putting this. It fits really well on the sides and holds well a queen mattress, as you can see it here. So nice bed.